Hello, my name is Gordon MacKenzie, and I'd like to show you a different time of day for painting. Most artists assume that their work has to be done or set in the middle of the day, whereas if we go to dusk to dawn, we can create some very dramatic paintings. I like to put the colors out on the palette and have a look at them and just see how they're going to work. I can see right now that I want to have a little bit, just a touch of yellow in there as well. You can almost see that dark sky forming up on the paper. Let's get a good brush load of cobalt blue and lay it on, and then come back and pick up some of the indigo, and then the orange, and then the yellow. As I paint this tree, I'm actually forming every branch. I'm painting every branch as I would if it were painting with a brush, but I'm doing it a lot faster with a sponge. Up in this area where I've painted it, but it doesn't look very dark, I just take the sponge and squeeze it and drop more color into it and make it darker. This painting is also about contrasts of values, but it's not set at night. It's set early morning. And what I want to focus on in this painting, as well as the value contrast, is the different wetnesses that we paint with. Now, what I want to do while this is wet, and this is wet in wet, I want to take some of the paint that's down below and pull it up to create the impression of trees. These are trees that are set way in the distance. The final touches for this painting will be a little more of glazing to add some warmer color in here to balance all the cool. And so I use a large brush and color raw sienna, Indian yellow, just a hint of permanent rose, till I feel I have a color that can go on and add warmth to this painting, the fire that it's lacking. It makes the scene friendlier.